All right, so next we're going to go over just viewing the page and make sure the page is all good. So we'll go back in here to the home page. I actually haven't finished all the photos yet, but I will. So we'll come down here and actually let's look on the front end. I think I did one photo since the last video, so let's just look at that. Okay, come down, photo. I think I added this background photo here because it was completely white. Let's add a couple photos here. I'll do that, but that's okay. You already know how to do that. I'll change this so the next one that we upload doesn't have these links. But let's go in here. And for some reason, I don't know what happened here, but this is all caps. So let's make sure that we fix that. We're going to delete this stuff here because it's unusable links. So check out our friends. Delete that one too. And then let's see if there's any other ones. Okay, that's good. So that's good. Okay, now come down here to this section. And again, we're going to click this to edit the text. All right. Make sure there's no links. No links, we're good. Okay, everything on the first page is done except for these couple images. So we can do those real quick. We'll get this video going. Upload files. So we're going to go to, let's see here. I think this one here looks good. Small image. Actually, the one thing I didn't do is I didn't go to Photopea and do those other images. So we have to do that for all the images. So sorry about that. Let's go and do this. I think this one's small image anyways. Tiny, 25 kilobytes. Was it 100%? 100. Oh, we'll bring it down to 90. There you go. Save that. I want to put that one in there. So let's drop that one. And we'll do tow truck near me. People search that. Caption, when I get to that name, address, phone number. Okay, this is just going to help us with Google knowing where we are. Save that. We got one more. So we'll go here, click, and we're going to, again, download one. This guy looks good. Looks like he's not doing very well, though. Kind of looks like a werewolf. We'll save this. And then we are going to, towing a vehicle. Then we go into Photopea. Open. Where's towing a vehicle? Right there. And then say export as JPG. Oh, it's already a pretty good rate, but we'll bring it down a little bit lower. These small images on the page are okay. You don't really see them, the quality, because they're so small. So 50 kilobytes is fine. And then we're back again. We're at, where are we? Edit page. Right, upload files. Okay, and then we'll put, let's say, what is another keyword? I don't have the keywords. I'll send you some keywords. But towing is pretty generic. So we'll do, I'll just do Regina towing service. And then caption, we're going to grab that. There we go. Save it. And then there you go. You got your two photos there. If I missed any other photos. Okay, again, this photo here. Let's just change this. Let's go to, actually I think we've already saved it, so let's go into open this broke down car. Okay, and then we're going to export it as a JPEG, and there we go, it's good. Save that. Where are we? Right here. Okay, that's right. Click that image, upload. I don't know if we've used roadside assistance, but we can use it again. Save that. Okay, looks exactly the same, even though I probably shaved off a ton of size to that photo. Okay, we're looking good. Everything's done on the page. Good. Okay, just make sure that that's all done. Now, the next video I'm going to go in and show you one more thing, which is coming in and making the content unique. On to the next.